Every modern digital creator eventually hits the exact same wall. Choosing a platform means accepting a painful compromise. On one end of the spectrum, you have dedicated newsletter platforms offering an incredibly frictionless setup, but they charge for that convenience by taking a permanent percentage of your subscription revenue. On the other end, you have general-purpose platforms like WordPress. You maintain complete financial independence, but you fight plugin bloat and constant maintenance overhead to keep a simple publication running. Ghost is an open-source engine explicitly built to break this exact compromise. Its architecture serves a hyper-focused purpose. It is built purely for professional publishing and newsletter delivery, not for general website building. The central question you have to answer is whether Ghost's promise of 0% revenue share justifies the technical friction required to migrate your operation. Because choosing a software platform is really an exercise in identifying which specific operational trade-offs your business model can afford to make. This chart maps out the current publishing landscape, plotting platforms based on two crucial metrics: general flexibility along the bottom and monetization focus on the side. WordPress lands down here on the right. It can build virtually any type of website you need, but its out-of-the-box publishing efficiency is low without heavy customization. Substack sits near the middle. It handles newsletters seamlessly, but completely locks you into its rigid structural format. Ghost drops directly into the upper left. It provides maximum efficiency for content monetization right out of the box. Securing that extreme monetization efficiency means you must intentionally sacrifice the broad, general-purpose flexibility found on the right side of the board. Let's look closely at the actual financial mechanics of running a paid newsletter on these competing platforms. This chart tracks monthly recurring revenue. A 10% cut seems cheap at first, but as subscribers grow, that fee scales aggressively upward. Ghost Pro operates on a flat monthly fee, creating a hard ceiling on expenses regardless of revenue. The direct outcome here is that once you cover your baseline infrastructure cost, you retain 100% of your subscription revenue. The trade-off for retaining your money is that you have to manage your own payment processing through a mandatory Stripe integration. Managing that Stripe integration adds a technical setup step before you can ever launch, a hurdle that plug-and-play platforms handle for you automatically behind the scenes. You are trading the immediate convenience of a one-click onboarding process for a mathematically superior financial model over the lifespan of your business. The platform's underlying architecture also directly dictates your daily operational experience. Because Ghost is stripped of excess features, the editing environment is exceptionally fast and optimized strictly for long-form text and native email delivery. But that speed comes at a functional cost. You do not get the block-based page builders or the custom layout abilities that come standard with a general CMS like WordPress. Instead, Ghost relies entirely on robust built-in SEO and analytics tools, deliberately avoiding the massive but often fragmented third-party plugin ecosystem. The software forces you to conform to a publishing-first workflow. It prevents you from bloating your site with add-ons, but it limits your ability to build complex marketing landing pages. If you decide Ghost fits your workflow, you still have to choose between the managed Ghost Pro service and self-hosting the open-source software. Running it on your own servers drives your platform fees to absolute zero, while securing complete data sovereignty over your subscriber list and content. The barrier here is technical. Self-hosting Ghost requires specific familiarity with a Node.js server environment. That requires a much higher baseline of technical skill than the highly accessible PHP hosting environments that WordPress runs on. If your team lacks the specific infrastructure skills to secure and maintain a Node application, the Ghost Pro Managed tier acts as your necessary safety net. Self-hosting offers the ultimate financial advantage, but only if your business actually possesses the engineering bandwidth to maintain it. So when exactly should you trigger a migration away from a percentage-based platform? This equation shows the exact mathematical tipping point. If your 10% platform fee exceeds roughly $30 to $50 a month, it is time to migrate to Ghost Pro. Crossing that threshold turns the switch from a software preference into a high ROI business decision. The flat fee structure means you start saving money the moment you migrate. Conversely, if you are an early-stage writer with zero audience, staying on a percentage fee platform is the safer bet until your revenue actually breaches that limit. Let's use this decision matrix for your business model. For complex corporate layouts or e-commerce, choose WordPress. For new writers relying on network effects, Substack is ideal. But for established, audience-driven businesses prioritizing profit margins, Ghost is the definitive choice. It demands technical friction up front, but rewards that effort with a permanent cap on operational costs and absolute ownership of your audience relationship.